Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jesse Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an uppumav in an easy way. Hope you guys enjoy. For today's easy upma recipe, we need sliced onion, curry leaves, sliced green chili, sliced ginger, roasted rava, mixed vegetables, grated coconut, fenugreek seeds, oil and salt to taste. One more time, mix sliced onions, sliced ginger, sliced green chili, grated coconut, mixed vegetable, curry leaves, roasted rava, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, oil and salt to taste. Once the tawa is hot, you can add the oil to the tawa. Once the oil hotted, then you can add the mustard seeds. Now the oil is heated. Now I'm going to add that mustard seeds. We started to break down. Now you can add fenugreek seeds. It is optional. If you don't like fenugreek taste, you can avoid it. There's no need, no necessary to add that one. Once it's done, you can add the sliced ginger. Just sort it. When the raw aroma goes, you can add the sliced onions. I took two medium-sized onion sliced, one thinly sliced. Sort it until it soft and cooked. Now I'm going to add a tiny bit of salt. It will make that onion cook very fast. Now I'm going to add curry leaves and green chili. First I add curry leaves. Once it's sorted, I'm going to add green chilies now. It's very thinly sliced green chilies. Now time to add vegetables, mixed vegetables. I'm using the frozen one because we got this one over here easily available. That's defrosted one. Yeah, once it added, and then it need to be cooked, half cooked. Now I'm going to add a bit more salt on it, because we need to put some salt for the vegetables as well. And then again salt it till it's halfly cooked. It's almost cooked. Now I'm going to add grated coconut. I'm only adding very little bit grated coconut. You can add a bit more if you like, or if you can avoid it if you don't like it. And then salt it a bit. Now the time to add the main ingredient. That's a roasted semolina. Is already roasted, but this method is easy for the bachelors and all, because when you put water first and then cook it, boil it, and then add the semolina, then it will be very watery. Then this is a easy method to do it without too much water. So once mix it well in that vegetable and oil, and then you can add hot water. So that's the easy method. So that's what I'm showing now. So once it mixed well, then we can add the water. Now I'm going to add a bit salt on the hot water, boiled water. It's already boiled water, and then add the salt to taste, because we need salt on this one. That's why it's called Uppumav. So we need to add salt. It need to be a bit above taste. Taste will be need to be a bit above. Add it and mix it well, and then you can add to that mixture now. That little by little, just add it, and then you can mix it, so it won't be not watery. So that's the easy method. Mix it well. It needs a bit more water, so I'm going to add a bit more water in a minute. So, and mix it well until it's cooked properly, and then we can see that one need more water or not. If you check, then we can see the dry semolina, then we need to add more until it's fully soaked and cooked. Once it almost done now I'm going to cover with the lid, and then just put in for 1 or 2 minutes, then it will cook properly. Just only for 2 minutes with the lid, and then it will done. Now I'm going to open it. So it's all done now. It's ready now. You can serve it in a serving plate, and then you can enjoy that. So I'm going to serve it in a plate in a minute, then I will show you. Tasty and yummy upma is ready now. Try it, you guys will love it. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you all next time with another recipe. Bye.